Alis ng alis eh. Ayaw tumigil dun eh. Go COB! Naka-commentator ako sa iyo. Lola, sir. He got the ace! Manlola serving for the third time. Jacob to Manlolo to Jumel, received. Bring Kai to Dos, drop ball. Goes out. Ang gulo, ang gulo. Brincar to dos. Block. Score by Education. Giants serving. Received by Jairus. Manlolo to dos. Receive. Jairus to Diego. To Rekman. What a hustle. Tapia. Manlolo. Stress. Lock. Jairus. Over by Diego. Brincar to dos. Out. Ano yun? Rekman serving. Rotation error. Wrong serve. Score is 3 serving 4. Diego. Jumel. Block. Jacob. Just to Sweaty. Receive. Brincar to 4. And it goes inside. Tangina na yung bata. Service. Short ball and it goes inside. The score is 6 serving 4. Jacob to dos. Swelly. Pumalo. Na-receive. And it's error. Touch net. Rekman to Diego. To Jumel. Goes cross. Outside. Timeout by COB. Score is 8 serving 4. Jacob. Sinet ni Rekman. Pinalo ni Jumel. Outside na naman. You know, partner, siguro sa mga ganong set na hindi makuha, dapat pina-power top mo. Diba? Go. Dismiss ball. 5 serving 9. Receive ni Arvin. Brinkat to 4. Free ball. Diego sa 2. Swedy pumalo. Nakuha. Hindi na nabali. Net. Mantoha. Serve. Na-receive ni Arvin. Brinkat sa 4. And it goes inside. Jumel. Outside. Score is 7, serving 10. Tapia, serve. Wow! Hindi nakuha. Nagka-commentator ako. Serving 7. Na-receive ni Giles. Diego. Swedy. 3. Drop ko. Hinawi lang yung partner. Ano masasabi mo doon, partner? Di ba dapat nakabantay ka na? You should anticipate those drop balls kasi it could be lethal sa team nyo. Oh no! Misreceived by Jumel Tapia.
Mukhang hindi maganda ang gising ni Jumel ngayon.
Mukhang lumalaban ang sakit ng mga COB na yun.
Hindi curable. Joke lang, Jumel.
Our current score is 13, serving 7. Swedy. Tinapla. 3 na block.
Wala. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi nila.
Diba? Mataas naman ang block. Kaya naman nila yung block. That was a net ball. 30. Ay, 8. Serving 30. Receiver CJ. Free ball. Free ball. Diego. Sa 3. Ay! Masyadong mababa. You know, partner, pag masyadong mababa yung net, yung set sa'yo, itap mo na lang, pa over. You're right. Okay. 9, serving 14. Rekman, nagre-reklamo, mag-ingay daw ang teammates niya. Masyadong tahimik sa court. Nice service by Jim. Brinkat, nag-drop ball. Swedy. Over to. Katlin. To Brinkat sa 4. Nadig ni Jumel. Diego. Nadig. Oh, and it goes inside. Hindi nakuha ni Jim.
Nice intent.
Yeah. Nakita na ni Jim pero konti pa. 15, serving 9. Ba't ka naman kasi nagtakbo? Ha?
CSTV.
Ay, doon? Buong ay, magsa-start mo. Time out by COB. I think wala na silang time out for this set.
I believe parang nagagalit si Coach Mark ngayon.
Oo nga. Nakikita niya na ang mga butas sa set na to.
So pakinggan natin na sinabi niya. Ano okay ba sa inyo? Nakikita
Oh,
niyo
ano na? Ano na?
Ba't kayo napapatambak ng pet na? Sabi ko sa'yo, receiving mo na. Tapos sa'yo lang, hindi mo ko magbigay.
Hala!
Joke lang.
That was very harsh by Coach Mark.
Kuya Mark.
Yan na. Okay. I think nakukuha na nila to sa set na to. Itong time na to, I think it would be very good for COB. 16, serving 9. Cut. Goes out.
Actually, kay Janelle.
Nice call, nice call.
Kung kay Ero yun, tukunin niya pa yun.
Uy, hindi ah.
Go
Okay.
service, Jags!
10, serving 16. By Diego. Arvin, masyadong mababa. Brinkat na ibalik. Diego sa dos. Jairus, pinalo. Goes outside. Si Rekman mukhang nagagalit na. Tumataas na ang boses. Brinkat, jump serve. By Adlawan. Diego sa 4. Block. And it goes inside. Nice spike. Sino yun? Si Junel. What the next? Our score is
Service!
11, serving 10. Served by Bueza.
JP kay Katli, kay Katli.
Sinerve sa kanyang BFF. Nakuha. Sinet sa 4. CJ and it goes inside. Serving 11. Mukhang malayo na ang lamang ng COE sa set na to. Mahabol pa kaya ng COB? Diego sa 4. Jumel, nag-tap. Over. Nice free ball. Uy! Rekman, lumipad. Nagmura pa siya, sabi niya, "Tangina mo, self!" Adlawan sa 4, Jumel. Ni over lang. Free ball by Brinkat. Diego sa 2. Sumabit sa net. Brinkat. Sinet ni Katli sa 2. Free ball. Nice get by Adlawan. Diego tinaas. Swedy binalik. Tinaas ni Brinkat sa 4. Mukhang drop lang to. Nakuha ni Rekman. Diego sa 4. Nakuha ni Jumel ang puntos. What a nice. 12, serving 9. Service time. Mantoha.
Go, service!
Ay! Malayo na ang COE pero mas pinapalayo pa ng COB. Jumel. Ooh! Stare down. By Jumel Tapia kay Katli. Ayan, attitude. Akala mo talaga na siya na si... Sino ba nagsiselo sa...
Go, Jones!
Nice service. Brinkat, pinunta kay Katli. Drop ball, nakuha ni Bueza. Diego, papunta 2, Swedy binalik. Nakuha ni Arvin, sumabit sa roof. Sa rooftop.
Jones!
Okay.
Same target.
Dahan-dahan lang. Isa-isa lang. Kalma, kalma! 14, serving 20.
Nice one,
Nice
Jones!
service by Jumel. Sabog ang COE. Ni over lang. Drop ball by Diego pero nabasa. 3, binalik lang. Diego to 3. You know, partner, hindi pa talaga nila na-activate yung tres nila. Kanina pa yan eh.
Kailangan nila mag-come up with it.
I feel like mas okay yung laro pag na-activate na ang tres. So far, not good
Pero
for...
kailangan nila partner.
I don't know. What do you recommend? Di ba kaisip? Okay. 15 serving 21. Sweat. And it goes inside. That was almost out, pero tumin niya. So that was very nice serve by Sweaty.
Same, Kuya Swedy, same.
16 serving 21. Cut. Ay! That was very readable, partner.
Sayang ko sana ka ni Jones.
Yeah, that was very readable, pero very unfortunate for COB side. Kinuha ni Jago, Tubueza, block out! Mukhang seryoso na ang mukha ni JP.
Palaban siya din.
You can see the fighting spirit talaga na gusto nila humabol. 17 going, 17 serving 23.
Dahan-dahan.
Nice service by Ramirez. Ring cut sa 4, Katli. Outside. Knife free by Jumel.
Size. Zone 6.
Nice serve. Misreceive. Free ball ito. Rekman kay Diego. Drop ball. Nabasa. Drop ball ulit by the other side. Diego sa dos. JP papalo ni drop ball. Error. Net touch by COE. I think if they keep this up, they can habol sa set na to. Katli pinalo. Net. Sinigawa ni JP.
Kalma. Dahan-dahan.
Gagawa
Zone 6,
attitude.
zone 6.
Ramirez. Outside. You know, sa mga puntos na to, sa mga point na crucial na ang laro, dapat hindi yan nag-error eh. Even a simple serve can do. Jacob sa dos. JP, na-receive. Free ball. Diego. Dinos. JP na block ng net. Set point. Set point by COE. 24. Serve.
Ano na rin sinito sa mga
JP, may drop ball. Pasok. Kahabol sila dito. Parang tama to si Clay.
Jago!
Go Jags.
Harap lang.
Time out by COE.
Apat.
Mahahabol pa yan if they have the right choice. If they did what should have done. what should have been done.
What you should have not done.
Can you repeat that, partner? I think that's very insightful of you.
Bakit kaya hindi nila ito mag-repeat ko? You should have done basta.
Ewan ko sa'yo, partner. Okay. 21, serving
Zone
24.
Zone 5.
Set point.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Nice block by Rekman and Jumel. Kaya nilang umabot if they keep this up. 21, serving 24. Mahabol pa kaya ng COB? Manlolo,
Go,
serve.
go, Jex, go, Jex.
CJ ni-receive. Brinkat kinuha in over. Jacob nakuha. What a hustle. JP pinalon. Dito drop ball. Ay! Pag nagsa-scramble sila, nawawala ang defense nila sa likod. Especially if si Kuya Jacob ay nakahilata, hindi siya agad makatayo. It's very crucial for the defense of COD. So, kailangan magtinag ang natitira.
To the next,
Ay, okay. Let's go to the next set.